Once you have tied the thread on both the sides, the pink and the orange, now you got to decide which is going to be the base of the bird. I plan to make orange as the base and pink as the top. So I'm going to flatten this orange portion, and then I will put a tissue paper roll in the center of the orange like this, and I have to make sure that I cover the maximum. I have to hide this paper behind these threads. And then I have this blue color thread which I will place it over the paper like this, and then I take my pink color below, and now I got to adjust first the orange color thread so that I don't see any white paper like this. And the next step would be, you have this blue thread, you will place it over pink color like this. I'll show you one more. I'm just making sure that it looks neat, so making the thread straight. So I have placed it over the pink color like this. It should go this way. Once you are done with this, the next part is to tie a thread in the bottom. So as I said, I'm going to remove one extra string from each color. So for the blue color string, I'll be using it here, and I will tie. Great. So I tied my blue string, and I got to give some finishing as well. But before that, let me stick the eyes and the beak for the bird. So during Fashnak, we used to have, Fashnak is basically a festival in Basel. So we used to have some kind of treats that we used to get, like a joker, and it had this orange kind of stuff in it. So this actually looks really good for the beak, so I am using it as the beak of my bird. And then for the eyes, I just used a small piece of paper, small circle, and colored it with a black color. So I got the eyes and the beak ready for my bird. And the next step is, I need to make a tiny little feet for my birdie. And to do this, I'll be using this thin wire. I will make small little feet for my birdie. something like this, and then I roll the wire. And I cut it. Likewise, I'll make another one. I'll take some glue and I will stick this feet, stick the legs. Okay, and the other one. So the feet is ready. So the feet is ready for my bird, and the last thing that we need to do is some finishing. So this is like uneven threads, so I'll just make it look a little neat. Great. And now my birdie is ready to get into the nest. Hope you liked the video and thank you for watching.